editing in here, but an amazing amount of work has been going on outside. Let's go look at this. So there's a fan here in the door because it is the first like glorious, super nice day outside. But come check out this garage. So all day yesterday, Caleb was putting the boards here on the front. I was standing on the outside. He put up the tar paper or whatever that paper in between the 2x4s and the outside wall. And then the door, so much work got done. It's so good. And there's a bunch of scrap left over. So tell me, what should I do with that? You tell me. So there's not quite enough to do like an accent wall, but I'm thinking I could do a tabletop. So it's still green lumber. It hasn't been kiln dried, so I can't really make furniture out of it. But I can do something cool with it. So I'm thinking that could be where I do my guitar hangers. There are a bunch of different things. So if you have any cool ideas, it's 6 boards that are about 5 feet long and then a couple 3 foot long. But anyway, what do you guys think so far? Tell me in the comments below. This is an amazing thing. It's crazy how fast it is. I think today is like day 7 that this has been going. So far, concrete floor, electrical, lights, wall. Today, in the next episode will be insulation, the tiny bit of electrical, insulation, and then everything going. And then also there's some exciting news on the mini split that I'll let you know in the next episode. Sounds like I have a sponsor that, yeah, it's an amazing story. So I'll tell you that in the next episode. But if you want to support this work, again, I've said this in other videos, I feel uncomfortable asking, but there are patrons who are amazingly generous, and I know that there are people that really want my channel to succeed. So there's a link in the description below. It's a PayPal donation link if you want to offset some of the cost of this, because this will give me a place that I can make content that will help you find cool guitars. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm Jeremy. I'm the Guitar Hunter. I'll see you later. Okay, you hung around, you were nice, you were cool. I'll give you a quick little sneak peek of the inside. So here is a preview of the next episode. I'll give you the first 10 seconds or so. There are a couple things that have to happen today that haven't happened yet. The first thing is we have to do some more electrical. I say we, Caleb, electrical, he's an electrician. So Caleb is gonna do the electrical. We're gonna put a switch over here. We're gonna add an outlet on the ceiling back here so that I can have a light or whatever. Just having power in the ceiling seems like a good idea for a YouTube studio.